you can play a lot of different games in this world. You can play status games, you can play ego games, you can play money games, and all the entrepreneurs seem to have this really big goal. They wanted to change the world. They wanted to walk around Silicon Valley in sweatpants. They wanted to have the status. They wanted to, and also they wanted to have gobs and gobs of money. They didn't just want to make 150 grand a year by not working very hard. They wanted to have a $10 million exit or a $500 million IPO. I looked at that game and I was like, wow, the odds are really bad in this game. Like, yes, it looks awesome, but the odds are pretty bad. What game can I play in business where I can make 150 grand a year? I set a really low goal. I didn't follow, entrepreneurship Twitter. I didn't watch Shark Tank. I didn't read TechCrunch. I was like, hey, if I can make 150 grand a year and work 20 hours a week from anywhere, I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. Okay, yes, I got to have a 3,000 square foot house in Athens, Georgia, instead of a 6,000 square foot house on Miami Beach, but I can do whatever I want. And that was exciting to me. And I was like, okay, what game can I play? I was like a poker player sitting at the table with chips, and those chips were my time because I didn't have any money. Where can I put my time to maximize my odds of accomplishing that goal? And it seemed that just small business, normal stuff was kind of the lowest risk path. And I was just excited. Like, people are asking, why did you start a pickup and delivery storage company? It was just energy. I had the energy. Like, I was excited by the fact that me and my buddy worked our ass off for a whole week, and we ended it and we had $3,500 each in cash sitting on a bed. Half of it was his and half of it was mine. I was like, damn, we didn't use our degree. We didn't use a network. All we did was go out and work, and this money appeared out of nowhere. We created it. That got me energized.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.